Today we will learn subtraction by count backwards. We have different ways to learn subtraction, so let's start. First, we can use our fingers to subtract numbers. 10 minus 3. You have to show the 10 fingers and you will take away 3 fingers and count the rest of the fingers. So 10 minus 3 equals 7. Or we can use counters and take them away. We have 16 counters and we will take away 7. So 16 minus 7 equals 9. Also, we can use arrows and 10 squares to help us. We have 18 arrows and we will take away 5. So 18 minus 5 equals 30. And we have another way to subtract numbers is to count backwards. We can do this using a number line. 20 minus 6. We will start from number 20 and count backwards 6 numbers. So 20 minus 6 equals 14. Now try one on your number line or whiteboard. 19 minus 8. Start on 19 and make 8 jumps backwards to get the answer. So let's start from number 19 and jump backwards 8 numbers. So 19 minus 8 equals 11. Now let's practice subtraction together. We have 4 apples and we will take away 2. So 4 minus 2 equals 2. Here we have 5 bugs and we will take away 2 bugs. So 5 minus 2 equals 3. Here we have 6 ducks. So 6 and we will take away 4 ducks. So 6 minus 4 equals 2. Here we have 7 eggs and we will take away 3. So 7 minus 3 equals 4. Here we have 8 cupcakes and we will take away 6. So 8 minus 6 equals 2. We have 9 bugs and we will take away 5. So 9 minus 5 equals 4. And the last one, we have 10 apples and we will take away 8. So 10 minus 8 equals 2. And this is the end of our video. Thank you.